Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Irene and today I'm going to follow this Elaborate 10 minutes date and makeup tutorial from the Allure YouTube channel. I am obsessed with offcampus right now, like the rest of the world. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I might not have all the products, so we will make do with whatever we have. She starts off with her moisturizer. I'll be starting off with mine, which is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Next, she does concealer. She uses the Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible brushes her eyebrow successfully, which will be doing the same thing with this one. So, fun fact about her is up until I think my early to mid 20s, my eyebrows were pretty much non existent. So I did not have eyebrows at all. I still do not do my eyebrows. I just fill them in with an eyebrow pencil and just them at home by myself. She blends her concealer with the fingers. We love that, so we'll be using our fingers as well. Do you see that skin doing that?
Next, she uses the Maybelline Fit Me Compact, which I used to love at a point, but now I do not use compact powders anymore, so I don't have it. But usually go with loose powders. This one's the K Beauty Translucent Setting Powder. I love how she has that natural rosiness on her cheeks. Next, she uses the Benefit Cola Bronzer, which again I don't have. But I do have this Swiss Beauty Sculpt Lift Contour Palette, and I think I'll go with this. She's so pretty. Like, she uses the same bronzer as an eyeshadow. She also does the waterlines. Oh, that's nice. She uses to blush, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. For first, I do not have that. I using this one. This is the Insight Cosmetics Dusty Rose. Bit on the mauve side, so it's not exactly brownish. She uses the famous NARS blush, which I do not have. So I do not have a red blush, but I have these two shades pretty close. Honestly, I can get on board with the red blush. It looks amazing. So she uses an highlighter, and I will also be using an highlighter from House of Makeup. This is in the shade Meteorite, usual one. Very quickly. He adds fake freckles, which honestly, if I try, I've tried doing it a couple of times. It's a disaster. I do not have a freckle top. We're gonna skip that step. Next, she uses mascara. She uses two mascara. One is for her bottom lashes, one is for her top lashes. So Benefit Fan Fest, she uses that. I do not have Benefit Fan Fest, but I do have the Benefit Bad Cow Fan. I do not have a brown mascara, so again we are gonna just skip. So she uses the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, and I think I only have 3 or 4 lip liners, so we are gonna make it work.
Listen, I don't really watch sports. I don't really know.
She prefers overlining her lips up with a bit and not wearing the lower lip. Then she uses the Dior lip oil. I do not have the Dior lip oil, but I have the L'Oreal lip oil. This one is in the shade Perfect. Next, she does setting spray, and for setting spray, I will be using the Milani Make It Fast. So she then retouches her moles and beauty marks, which I honestly love, but I think my mole is pretty much visible, so we're gonna leave it like that. Honestly, I can get on board with this. Like, it looks nice. It has a little bit of bronzer, blush. Love it. So yeah, that was our take on Elaborate's makeup look. That We tried following as much as we can, not to the T. It looks sun-kissed, like I just came back from a beach vacation. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please subscribe. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.